Hello, today we are going to explore something very important, that is Kubernetes deployment strategy and their various types. Let's begin by understanding what a deployment strategy is in Kubernetes. A Kubernetes deployment strategy helps us define how a new version of your application or a website is released in the cluster. It's essential the approach used when updating your app to make sure users experience or disruption or downtime. The goal is zero risk and minimal downtime during the upgrade. It defines how the old version of your container is replaced with the new one smoothly. The containers inside your pod gets upgraded without affecting application availability. That's the power of deployment strategies. The common deployment strategies are recreate, rolling update, canary deployment, blue green deployment. There are also other two types like A/B testing and shadow deployment. A/B testing is similar to the canary deployment, but both A/B and shadow are not widely used in production. So in this video, we will focus on the most used one. Let's deep dive into each strategies to understand how they actually work. We will begin with the recreate strategy. So, what is the recreate strategy? It's a very straightforward approach. First, it terminates all the old pods. Only after that, it spin up the new pods. So until the old pods are completely gone, the new version doesn't start. Right. So this clearly introduced downtime because there is a gap between termination and creation. During that time, there is no pod running, so the website or the app becomes unavailable. As a result, user won't be able to access the service. Only after the new pods come up, user regain access to the application. So this strategy is really used in production. Now we will see about the rolling update strategy. In this strategy, the updates happen gradually. One pod, one old pod is terminated. At that time, the new one is created in its place. This process continue until all the pods are updated. Since there are always some old pods running, user can continue to access the app during the rollout. This ensure zero downtime or very minimal downtime. This is why rolling update is one of the most commonly used in production strategies. So next up we have Canary deployment strategy. So in this strategy, a small number of new pods are launched and only a portion of the traffic is sent to them. For example, you might direct 20% of your user to the new version and 80% of the user to the old version. This allows you to monitor how the new version behaves on a small user base. If everything goes well, you can gradually increase the traffic to the new version until it's reach 100%. If error or bad feedback are found, you can instantly roll back to the stable version. This approach ensures safe rollouts and is widely used in critical production deployments. Now we will go on blue-green deployment. So in this strategy, you maintain two environment, that is blue, which is a current one, and green, which is a new one. The blue environment runs the existing application version while the new version is deployed on the green one. Once everything is ready, the green environment, the traffic is switched over the blue to green. After the switch, the blue pods can be safely terminated. This ensures a zero downtime deployment and makes rollbacks very easy if needed. So these are the major deployment strategies in Kubernetes: recreate, rolling update, canary, and blue green. In upcoming videos, we will show you how to practically implement each of them. Stay tuned for the hands-on tutorials where we will deploy the real apps using each of these strategies. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and drop your thoughts in the comment below.